All units be advised, Hill County is in pursuit of a white Toyota Prius. Subject is armed with a handgun. Subject also has a passenger in the vehicle. The male has threatened to shoot the passenger. They are asking for our assistance.
Air 1, it looks like he has several people in there, and possibly something, looks like he's got a gun to somebody's neck. A female passenger, and he looks like, the driver is the female, looks like he's got a gun to her neck.
LSO 35, Hill 131. Not sure if you can read this. Our dispatch is trying to advise you that prior to this line disconnecting, the female advised she has been shot in the abdomen.
Rescue, rescue, rescue. Rescue, rescue, rescue. Let's go. We're going. We're going. Stay together.
Don't do it! Don't do it! Don't do it! Break out the window! Break out the window! Break out the window! Break out the window! Don't you do it! Break the window! Take your hand off the gun! Take your hand off the gun now! Take your hand off the gun! Drop it! Drop the gun! 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 Don't do it! Don't do it! Don't do it! Break out the window! Break out the window! Break out the window! Don't you do it! Break the window! Take your hand off the gun! Take your hand off the gun now! Take your hand off the gun! Drop it!
I'll tell you.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Slowed down and zoomed in, you can now observe that the slide of the weapon was jammed and there was no magazine in the magazine well. Please keep in mind that these body cameras are usually placed around chest level on the officers, and their point of view is higher than their body cameras.
Don't you do it! Break the window! Take your hand off the gun! Take your hand off the gun now! Take your hand off the gun! Drop it! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!